Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Pumpkin 2 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. It comes in a combination of either Honduran mahogany and Bengue, the one you can see right now on your screen, or Honduran mahogany and Jadova. Difficult level of Pumpkin 2 puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to put all three parts inside the frame in such a way that both openings of the frame will be covered like this, and no parts will be sticking out. As you can see, there are three parts here. Each part has a unique shape, and there are two openings on the frame. The first bigger opening on the front side and the smaller opening on the back side. The size of the frame is 3 by 3 by 3, and the quite normal question will be, what is the difference with the Pumpkin 1 puzzle? The Pumpkin 1 had completely different shape of three parts, and there was no opening on the back side of the frame. So it is a completely different puzzle which is going to be solved in a completely different way. As always, puzzles designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan comes unsolved. So you will have the puzzle with parts inside the frame, but they are not going to be in a correct way, since some of the parts will be sticking out. So you have to figure out the way how to put them inside the frame. If you like Pumpkin 2 puzzle designed by Asanori Yamamoto and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.